Chapter 4 Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. To know in this chapter, difference between text and presentation, functions of PowerPoint, how to insert pictures in a presentation. Have you ever seen a chips pack? See the way the packet is colorfully designed. Notice the advertisements that show the long slices of crispy chips flavored with the best taste. In reality, there are no more than a few chips inside. But we still buy it. That's the power of presentation. A presentation is the way in which a thing is shown or a topic is explained to a group. When your teacher teaches you a topic, she uses the blackboard to present her topic efficiently. We can say that she is giving a presentation. Similarly, when you write a text on MS Word, it becomes a document. But when you add images, themes and designs on the text with the help of Microsoft PowerPoint, it becomes a presentation. A PowerPoint presentation is also known as a slideshow. Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software. Presentation is a group of electronic slides containing information in a proper sequence in the form of text, pictures, sound, and video. There are many presentation software programs like OpenOffice.org, Lotus Freelance, etc. But Microsoft PowerPoint is the most preferred presentation software worldwide. Like MS Word, PowerPoint is also a part of Microsoft Office suite of programs. For our convenience, we will be using MS PowerPoint 2016. Starting PowerPoint. Click on Start button to start menu. Click on PowerPoint to open it and display Start screen. You can also write and search the PowerPoint directly. Click on Blank Presentation. You can either create a new presentation by clicking a theme or continue with the last opened presentation. Quick Access Toolbar. Tabs. Ribbon. Slides Preview pane. Status bar. Notes pane. View buttons. Zoom slider. Slides pane. Control buttons. Quick Access Toolbar. This toolbar is located at the top left corner of the program window. It contains the PowerPoint icon, which has functions similar to the control buttons. Apart from this, it also has the Save, Undo and the Redo buttons. Title bar. The bar shows the name of the presentation that is being displayed. File tab. Click on the tab, open the Backstage view, where you can find list of commands like Save, Open and Print. Tabs. There are 10 tabs located below the Quick Access toolbar. Each tab opens a new ribbon which has many tools and commands. The tabs are File, Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, Slideshow, Review, View, and Tools. Ribbon. All the tools and commands of a tab are shown on the Ribbon section. By default, the ribbon of Home tab is visible on the program window. This is the most important part of the PowerPoint window and contains all the tools required for creating a presentation. Slides Preview pane. This section is located below the ribbon on the left side. It will show you thumbnails of the different slides in the presentation. Status bar. This bar is located at the bottom of the program window and contains important details about the presentation. It shows the slide number, the theme used in presentation, and the language format. Slides pane. This is the blank area in the middle of the program window where we work on the slides one at a time. This is similar to the work area of MS Word or the drawing area of Paint. Notes pane. This area is located below the slides pane. If you want any additional note to be attached to the slide that you are working on, you can add the note here. Zoom slider. The zoom slider is located on the right bottom side of the program window. It contains zoom out option on the left and the zoom in option to the right. You can click on any side of the slider to either zoom in or zoom out. View buttons. Just next to the zoom slider, we have 4 small icons which we know as the view buttons. They are normal, slide sorter, reading view and slide show. Each of the buttons when clicked give us a different way of viewing the slides in the slide pane. Text placeholder. You can add titles, body text and bulleted lists in your slides with this. Creating a presentation. When you open Microsoft PowerPoint, it will show a blank slide where you can directly start working. But if you want to open a new blank presentation, follow these steps. Click on the File tab. Click on the new option. You will see many different options. Select Blank Presentation. On the window, you will find the Blank Presentation option. Right-click on it, then select Create. A new blank presentation will open with the name Presentation 1. When the blank presentation opens, it is in the title slide layout by default. A slide is a digital page of the PowerPoint presentation. Changing layout. Layout is the overall arrangement of text and graphics in a slide. Follow these steps to change the layout of a slide. Click on the Layout option in the Slides group under the Home tab. A number of different layout designs will appear on screen. Click on any layout from the drop-down menu. Creating a new slide. Click on the New Slide option from the Slides group in the Home tab. A new slide will be added to the presentation and its thumbnail will be visible on the slide's preview pane. Press Ctrl+M to insert a new slide. Placeholder. Most of the slides have dotted boxes. These are called placeholders. They help us in inserting different types of content on the presentation. The different types of placeholders are text, table, chart, smart art graphics, pictures, audio and video. Adding title and text to a placeholder. If you click on the Click to Add Title placeholder, the cursor will appear and you can start typing on that placeholder. We have written the ultimate knowledge in the title placeholder. Now we can add title description in the placeholder where it is written. Click to add subtitle. The Ultimate Knowledge is a website where you will get daily updates of general awareness in different areas of science, technology, health, travel, etc. Add this text to the subtitle box. Wow! Congratulations! You have made the first slide. Having fun? Let's make the second slide. From the Home tab in the Slides group, click on New Slide. To change the slide layout, click on the Layout icon. Click on the To Content Layout. Here we have the title placeholder and 2 other placeholders. Suppose we make a slide about your bicycle. The title would be My Bicycle. You can add text in the same way by first typing the title in the title text placeholder box and then adding text in the subtitle text placeholder box. Add more slides in the same way and complete your presentation. Inserting picture in a slide. Under the Insert tab, click on the pictures icon. Then select this PC option from the drop-down menu. Browse for the suitable picture in your computer. Select and insert the picture in your presentation. Now on the left placeholder, we have to write 5 lines about my bicycle. Click on the space where it is written, click to add text and start typing. Wow! Congratulations! You have successfully made the second slide. Formatting the image. You can add certain styles to your picture by changing its presentation. That way, the slide will look more attractive. Click on the image to select it. Click on the Format tab. The Format ribbon will appear. In the Picture Styles group, select any design that you want to be applied on the image. You can also change the font style, size, color, and do much more with the formatting options given in the Home tab. This will make your presentation attractive and effective. Note: whenever you select any object, some tabs appear. They are called contextual tabs. Examples are Design tab, Format tab. Transitions. Transitions means the style in which one slide ends and the other starts. There are many different effects from which you can choose the effect that suits you the best. Go to the Transitions tab and click on it. From the list of transitions, choose any one. Click on Apply to All. Slideshow. You have so far made 3 slides and now it is time to watch them like a movie. Click on Slideshow tab. In the ribbon section, click on the first icon, that is, From Beginning option. The slide will start running. Click on the left or right arrow to go to the next or previous slide. When the slideshow comes to the last slide, it will automatically exit. Note: you can also press F5 to view the slideshow. Save the presentation. Now it is time to save your presentation. Click on the File tab. Click on the Save option. The Save As dialog box will open. In the file name box, type India. The presentation will be saved by this name. Click on the Save button. The saved presentation can be reviewed and edited in the future anytime. Close and exit. To close the presentation, go to the File tab and click on the Close option. If there are any unsaved changes, the PowerPoint will ask you to save your file. If you wish to save changes, click on Save, otherwise click on Don't Save button. The PowerPoint presentation will close. To exit the program, click on Close button from the control buttons. Revise with TUK. PowerPoint 2016 is a presentation software by Microsoft. It is part of the Microsoft Office suite of programs. A slide is the digital page of a presentation. All the content, be it text, graphics, images, audio or video, is inserted into the slides. There are 9 different layout options in PowerPoint. When you open a new blank presentation, it will have the title slide layout by default. The boxes with dotted lines inside the slides are called placeholders. All the content is put inside them. Transitions refer to the style in which different slides of a presentation come and go in a slideshow. To add a new slide to the presentation, you need to click on New Slide option in the Slides group of the Home tab. The Slide Preview pane shows the thumbnails of different slides of a presentation.